In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Giraffe Marigold FSLF, Squarespace.com. We'll walk through the commerce tools in Squarespace, add a new service, review the key settings that shape how it sells, and finish by exploring print-on-demand options and publishing your site. Start on your new site copy in the dashboard. Open the Commerce area by clicking Products and Services, then choose Products to see your catalog. Take a moment to switch over to Orders to get familiar with where purchases will appear, then hop into Discounts to see where you'll create promo codes. Next, open Selling Tools so you know where to find features that help you market and automate sales. Head back to Products, and once more into Products to focus the catalog view. Click Add Product. When the prompt asks, "What do you want to sell?" choose Service. Click through the highlighted areas to bring the editor into focus and reveal the fields you'll be working with. Open the Forms tab to attach an intake form if your service needs customer details before checkout. Move to Images to upload visuals that make the service listing clear and appealing. In Details, review core information like title, description, and pricing so customers understand exactly what they're booking. Visit Organization to assign categories and tags that keep your store structured and filterable. In Selling Tools, scan options related to scheduling or selling rules. In Marketing, review settings used for promotions and email. In SEO and URL, set a clean link and preview text to help search engines and social previews display your service accurately. In Social Share, confirm the image and snippet that will appear when the page is shared. If you need to back out, use Cancel. When you're ready to input content, type into the highlighted field. Then click Save to store your work and Publish to make the service visible. Return to Orders, revisit Discounts, and open Selling Tools again to stay oriented with the commerce workflow. Click Explore More Ways to Sell, then choose the option to design and sell custom products with print-on-demand services powered by Printful. Open Custom Merch, review how it works, and select products from the Printful catalog to see what's available. Head back home, and when everything looks good, click Publish your site so your changes go live. That's the full path. Navigate commerce, add